Hey guys, Sarah from Easy English Club. I'm going to teach you an English expression today. We also call them idioms. The one I picked for you is get the ball rolling. Yeah, I know, they're crazy. Anyhow, get the ball rolling. What this means, it means to start something. Get the ball rolling. Basically, you can start a project or make something move into action. Now, use these in your daily conversations and you'll start to sound like a native Brit. Example sentence: my manager said, let's get the ball rolling on this project. Another example: I'd like to learn English, so to get the ball rolling, I've got some books from the library. You guys, practice your idioms, practice your English. Let me know in the comments below how you are going to use this example expression in your daily conversations. Look forward to the comments. If you want to know some more, check the link down there below. There's a video I've made with some more crazy British English expressions. See you in the next video. Bye-bye, my lovelies.